Hello everyone, hope you are fine. This video is about world rare stamps. From the early days of wired communication in 1866, this rare Russian telegraph stamp quietly carries a remarkable legacy. Issued as a 20 kopeck value in striking black and red brown, it stands out not just for its design but for its extraordinary preservation. While most of the roughly 10 known examples are plagued by faults, this one remains unusually fresh with full original gum and clean perforations, more than just a collectible. From the short-lived Italian colony of Oltreghiba, this 1925 Jubilee stamp captures a moment of history with striking elegance, issued in a rich 60 centesimi carmine shade and finely perforated. It stands out for its exceptional preservation, never hinged, well-centered and remarkably fresh condition. It has been carefully examined and signed by respected experts. In the turbulent aftermath of 1919, as Poland redefined itself, this rare set of postage due stamps emerged as a quiet testament to that moment in history, featuring the 1, 5 and 10 krona values in vivid ultramarine, each overprinted in red. These stamps are not just visually striking, they are exceptionally scarce, with only 40 of the 10K and just 80 of each of the 1K and 5K ever printed. Surviving sets are remarkably rare. Now, when I look at this stamp, I am instantly taken back to 1919, to the Italian post office in Peking, China. At first glance, it is a $2 dollary Picino surcharge on a 5-layer stamp, but what makes it truly special is a tiny flaw. The bottom half of the letter A in the dollary is missing. It is such a small detail, yet it transforms this into an extraordinary rarity. Only 15 of these stamps were ever printed. Now, issued in 1926 for Libya, this 15 centesimi pictorial stamp in brown and orange is a striking error variety featuring a dramatic inverted center, one of the most sought after production mistake in philately. Printed with perforation 11 and preserved in never hinged very fine condition, it retains excellent originality and visual appeal. Listed as Sezoni 62A with a catalogue value of 14,000 euros. A striking artifact of colonial era philately, this 1934 Italian Cyrenaica airport stamp, denominated at 75 centesimi in rich brown and orange, stand out as an imperforate single of exceptional visual and technical quality. Lightly hinged and graded very fine, it originates from a certified vertical pair with authentication provided by Cispondo certificate, listed as Sezoni A26A. Issued in 1938 for Liechtenstein, this 1.2 franc stamp in deep brown is a scarce imperforate variety, presented as an upper right corner margin single. Preserved in never hinged very fine condition, it maintains full original gum and strong visual quality. Catalogued as Michel 168U with a value of 1200 euros and also listed in Scott 149A valued at $1,400. This stamp stands as a desirable collectible item. Now, issued in 1944 for Poland, this unissued 6 groszy green stamp from the Gorel series is an exceptional rarity, presented as a horizontal gutter pair, a format that significantly enhances its appeal among the advanced collectors. Never officially released for postal use, and surviving examples are extremely scarce, preserved in never hinged condition and graded fine to very fine. This piece maintains strong originality. Issued in 1923 during the Mammal Lithuania occupation, this 15-cent surcharge stamp features a notable typographic variety in which the C of the cents appear higher than normal, a subtle but highly collectible error. Preserved in never hinged very fine condition, it retains excellent original gum and sharp detail, catalogued as Scott N83 variety and listed in Michel catalogue as 234IA. Now, in the world of classic American philately, few issues command attention like the 1870-71 series. Among them, the 12-cent dull violet H grill stand out as a true rarity. Featuring only small traces of original gum, this example still displays a rich, attractive color and remains sound quality seldom seen in the surviving copies. listed as Scott Catalog number 140 with a value of $32,500, a reflection of its rarity. Issued in 1927 for Libya, this 50 centesimi pictorial stamp in black and olive is an exceptional rarity, presented as an horizontal pair with sheet margin, perforation 11, and strikingly imperforate between the stamp and along the right edge, an unusual production error, highly priced by the collectors. Catalogued as Sassoni 64K with a value of 16,500 euros. This variety is exceptionally rare. A rare and highly desirable philatelic item, this 1949 Trieste Zone A stamp from Italy's allied military government issue stands out for its striking error. The 5-layer green value features an inverted overprint, an uncommon production mistake that significantly enhances its appeal among the collectors. Never hinged and preserved in a very fine condition, it also bears the signatures of expert ray body. Another remarkable rarity from the Trieste Zone A issue of 1949, this 20-layer black-violet stamp from the Cimarosa series features a striking double overprint, an error that greatly elevates its philatelic significance. It is authenticated by the signature of expert ray body. With just 60 examples ever printed, this variety is exceptionally scarce, listed as Sassoni 68A. Now, a remarkable piece for the collectors, this 1932 Liechtenstein official stamp, 10 rappen in a rich dark violet, stand out for its both rarity and condition, issued with a distinctive perforation of 11 by 10 and a half. The example described is especially desirable thanks to its neat corner cancel and exceptional centering, qualities that elevate it into the very fine category. It has consistent international demand. A striking rarity from early Soviet aviation issue, this 1924 Russian Air Force stamp features a 20 kopeck surcharge on a 10 ruble carmine base, made exceptional by its inverted surcharge, a highly sought after error among the specialists. The crisp Moscow cancellation adds postal authenticity. Notably, under catalog, this variety holds a Scott value of $2,500 only. Now, a modern classic with exceptional scarcity, this 1963 Liechtenstein issue features the 5-franc portrait of Prince Franz Joseph II in a rare imperforate horizontal pair. Unlike the standard perforated release, imperforate examples were never intended for regular postal use, making surviving multiples particularly desirable. This pair is described as never hinged and very fine, indicating pristine gum and superior centering. Now, another captivating error from Imperial Russia, this 1883 issue 14 kopecks in blue and rose features the dramatic center inverted. One of the most prized varieties in the classic philately. Printed on horizontally laid paper, it carries a light and unobtrusive trasha cancellation, preserving much of its visual appeal. Listed in Scott with a value of $6,250. Now, a fascinating provisional issue from the early Soviet period, this 1922 Russia stamp presents a 20 ruble surcharge applied to a 15 kopeck base, produced in an imperforate format with a lithographed overprint. Despite a substantial Scott catalog value of $9,500, its realized price of $2,300 illustrates that often uneven market for the surcharge issues. Now, a desirable set from the golden age of aviation philately, these 1930 Russia Air Post Zeppelin issue 40 kopeck and 80 kopecks are presented here as rare imperforate singles. Produced to commemorate early Zeppelin flights, such imperforate varieties were not intended for standard circulation, adding to their scarcity. These stamps show minor condition notes, including a hinge remnant and a crease on the 80K at the top margin. Now, a notable philatelic item from the early Soviet aviation history, the 1924 Russia Air Post issue, Scott Catalog C7A. This is the 10 kopeck overprint on the 5 ruble green base stamp. Featuring the distinctive wide 5, offered here is a rare horizontal pair, never hinged and in a very fine condition. an especially desirable state for the collectors. Multiples of this issue are seldom encountered. This is a scarce and highly sought after airpost issue from the Ryukyu Island dating to 1959. It is the 9-cent surcharge applied on 15 yen stamp listed as Scott Catalog C14A. What makes this example particularly notable is the inverted surcharge error, a classic philatelic variety that significantly increases collector interest. Such error varieties from the Ryukyu's period are increasingly difficult to find, especially in this clean state. This is a very fine early definitive issue from the Liechtenstein dated 1930, featuring the 2 franc stamp in green and red-brown listed as Scott 107A. This perforation variety 11.5 and 10.5 is a sought-after classic from the Principality's interwar period. With a Scott catalog value of $3,850, this stamp remains an attractive and respectable piece for the advanced European collectors. Now, this is a highly collectible wartime issue from the Italian Social Republic, especially the base Atlantica overprint series of 1943. It features the 20 centesimi stamp in carmine listed as Sozoni 8C. The key attraction here is the striking double overprint with one impression inverted, a classic and desirable printing error from the turbulent period of Italian postal history. Catalog value €4,000. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos about philately.